Hello, today I will tell you what are comments and why it's worth to use them. So I have created a new project that I called comments application, and as you can see I have got here some code, and between this code I have got comments like that. So everything that is colored in gray by that editor is a comment. And it means that it is not gonna be interpreted by compiler, okay? So this is the place where you can give additional information about your program. Because normally if you did something like that, for example, this is a public class. As you can see, the compiler is trying to interpret this thing, all this text here. But if you do it that way, which is one line comment, you can do it pretty easy, right? You can comment your code. So why would you want to comment your code? Why spend your time doing it? Well, because we are people, and people forget things, like, right? We are just humans, so we are not perfect. And because of it, after you write your programs, and when you come back to your programs after even 1 month, not 1 year year or 3 years, even after 1 month, when you come back to your program, you're not gonna almost remember anything about it, really. So that's why people are commenting things. And that's not the only reason. The second reason is that you can work in team, right? You can work with many people at once, and they will not understand your code instantly. But with comments, it's gonna speed up the development process of your program, of your perfect application, big application, right? That's why it's really very, very important to comment your code. So there are 2 types of comments. One line comment, which allows you to comment here, as you can see, but when you click enter, you cannot see any more comment, right? It's not gonna comment this here anymore. If you want to have multi-line comment, well, you can do, of course, something like that. But you know, it will take lots of time if you want to then delete something, right, from middle, for example, like that. To do blam. You can use something what is called multi-line comment. You just type slash, then the asterisk sign, and then you can type comment, right? And as you can see, this editor automatically changed that, well, inserted here these signs here, right? So now you can have multi-line comment like that. You have probably noticed that the generated comments that are here have got additional asterisk. Well, you don't need them here. They are just here so it looks better. But there is a small difference between this and this. If you start a comment like that, it's gonna be later used for the Java documentation. Okay, there is a program called Java Doc, which is generate a documentation. So this is a pretty big difference here. We're gonna have a special lesson where I'm gonna teach you how to create properly comments, but you know, we cannot do it right now because we don't know what is class, what are arguments, how to send them, what are functions, other things like that. I'm gonna show you everything like that in future lessons. For now, you just need to remember that you should create a habit to comment your code. Not everything, but things that are just a bit harder, okay? It's a good idea to comment your code because it's gonna save you lots of time, not only for you, but also for your future team. Okay, that's all in that lesson. Thank you very much.